Hi, my name is Deepak. Welcome to CRN. So today we'll be talking on the topic what we should do if the laptop got stuck on the boot screen. What are the steps to take? So in my experience, whenever I feel something wrong with my laptop, like it got stuck at some point or somewhere and I cannot move the mouse and everything is stuff, what I always do is like just shutting down the laptop and turning it back. It may solve almost all the problems which you face. So I prefer this step as the first one. And the second step is like sometimes while rebooting and your laptop is connected with external devices like printers, uh, external USB or any stuff which is connected externally, just remove their stuffs because sometimes this may interfere with the rebooting process. So just remove it and try the process of rebooting. And next one is getting into the safe mode. It is an amazing feature of the Windows. So in safe mode, you can get in and use limited features. But the good part is like you can find out the suspicious softwares and delete or uninstall those softwares from the safe mode and reboot again from the normal boot. So this will help a lot. And if not, go to this other step, get into the BIOS mode. Sometimes the BIOS order, I mean the boot mode orders may be differ. Sometimes the CD ROMs will be given the first priority while booting. So just you have to change the priority. I mean the first priority to hard drive so that the boot start from the hard drive. And next amazing feature which the Windows provide is like the repairing mode, which can be accessed from the boot screen. I mean the boot window screen. Get into the repair mode, and this repair helps you to fix the software problems. And sometimes this problem may be caused due to the disk errors. So just try this command on the command prompt, and this will check for the bad sectors and help you to go further. And this one is really good feature. I always do the system restore points. I always create the restore points because once you finish the installation of Windows, just create a point, and this point is act like a reference. So at any time you can come back to this point. I mean the fresh installation point. So imagine you installed a virus at the later stage after 1 month of installation of the Windows, and this virus is disrupting the your OS completely. What you can do is like you can again, with the help of this system restore, you can go back to the fresh installation point and see your OS is brand new. And you can also update the BIOS version going to the manufacturer and following the instructions. And these features help you for reinstalling the Windows as a fresh one, or if you are installing the Windows as a fresh one, it will be removing all the softwares and the documents as well. But there is another option which keeps your files as it is, and this installation process just remove the softwares associated. So you can choose either of the one. And the last thing you can do is like sometimes the stuck screens are caused by the memory issues. Just take out the memory, clean the contact point, put it in. And if it is still not working, just replace the memory. This will help to solve the problems. And there are some preventive steps you have to take. Avoid forced shutdowns unless necessary. And always keep the drivers and BIOS update. Use antivirus and use antivirus to avoid the viruses. That's it. Please subscribe our channel and like our channel. Thank you.